Hello, face painting friends. I have a magic drink to share with you guys. This is my grandmother's recipe. She's 84. And so for this, you will need 1 grapefruit. You will also need 2 lemons. And lemons preferably, not limes. There we go. And then we need 4 oranges. There we go. And so I'll be juicing this and putting it in this Starbucks cup. I typically drive through and just get an ice water and then I bring it home. This whole recipe will fill that cup. And then I'm gonna start cutting these. So this juicer on the counter I got at my local grocery store for $12. So they're not expensive, you guys. I'm sure you could find them even cheaper if you need to, but it's an electric juicer. And so I'm gonna start juicing. And I wanted to share this drink because I was like, what? Mother, why didn't you tell me about this? And so she told me that my grandmother did the 1 grapefruit, the 4 oranges, the 2 lemons, and that it's supposed to boost your immune system and help you out, during flu season or whatever. My mom typically stays indoors, so really her only contact are like us kids that visit, which are very few, and then my dad. But still, she needs to make sure that she can fight off those viruses, whatever comes into the house. And so I just thought this would be a great thing to share with you guys because it helped me out. And so mom told me about this like in late October, something like that. And then so I started doing this like 2 to 3 times a week, November, December. You guys, I have been coughed in the mouth at, okay? I did a birthday party. We're exiting. We're leaving. And this little 12-year-old boy comes down the stairs. And we meet at the exact same time. And he coughs in my mouth because I was talking. And I'm like, oh, my God, I'm going to die. And, COVID is scary. Viruses are scary. And the older you get, like I'm 43, it knocks me out. Like I am KO'd and, until I feel better and get better and make sure that I can only go back to work, when I'm not contagious and stuff. And so why not prevent all that? And so I was juicing, when that happened. And I didn't catch anything. It was like 2 days later and I'm like, okay, I'm still fine. And then a week later, okay, I'm still fine. Like expecting to get sick and no, nothing. Like kids have cough, sneeze, the runny noses all of November, December, and I was fine the whole time. So I was like, I have to share this with my besties and hopefully it helps you guys. So if you take medication, please make sure with your doctor that you're able to drink these fruits. The grapefruit I know does react to some blood pressure medication, so please check with your doctor first. I don't want you to have a reaction. And then also, when you're juicing, all this stuff right here has so much citric acid, and so make sure that you brush your teeth regularly, so that the citric acid is not like eating away at your teeth. So that was the other thing I read up on. And some other really cool stuff when I looked up the grapefruit is that it has 50% of the vitamin C you need in a day. 50%, you guys. And the orange, you'll never guess, 4%. And just 4%. So grapefruit is like magical. So I thought, yeah, totally gonna make this, drink it. And it's been one of the best choices ever. So yeah, so in all these like leftovers, little insides, like it's recommended that you eat all the inside of the grapefruit too because it's good for your digestive and stuff, but I'm just not in the mood today. Typically I do eat it, but I'm just like, I don't want it. So I'm gonna throw it out today. But yeah, so those are the only things I wanted to touch on. I want you guys to be safe in your decision or choice to try this drink. Super healthy, if your kids are a-okay, not on medication, let them have a small cup of it, not the whole glass, but you know, some of it to help them too. Because once one kid is sick at school, everybody's sick, and the family, sadly. So just want to make sure we keep our immune system up to par. So also, I am taking a supplement of vitamin D. I read up that we need not 9,000. Is it 9,000 or 900,000? I don't know. I think it's 9,000 IUs or whatever. I don't even know what it means. On a daily. And so I just take a vitamin D supplement that's 10,000 to replace that. So I know it's not the ideal. I would rather find a food to replace that, but it's really hard to eat enough foods with vitamin D to get the daily amount. So a supplement it is. But lastly, we have here the grapefruit. And you guys share your horror stories. I love reading horror stories of like kids sneezing, coughing, all that stuff. Share your stories with me. I'd love to read up on that. You know, we go through a lot, face painters. People don't realize. They just think, oh, she's having a great time painting, and you know, is this a job? Like, no, I'm out here for my health, so that kids can sneeze and vomit on me. Sorry, I had to say that, but yeah, I mean, they don't know, right? People don't know what we go through, but it's worth it. You know, I love painting, and it's so satisfying. You know, like the kid is just instantly happy, and the parents are like, "Wow, that's amazing!" And it's just a great feeling. You know, that people love face paint so much. Alrighty, you guys. Oh, the pièce résistance. Man, this stuff is great. And one day I'll figure out how to get this thing off. There we go. All right. And I don't really mix it because when you pour it, like it kind of mixes itself, and you know, I think it's good like that. It's up to you. Yum, 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 yum. Delicious, you guys. All right. And then if, you know, you have any comments or questions, please comment below. I try to respond to everybody's questions or comments. If you want any info or anything on any of the videos. And I really enjoy sharing face paint with you guys, sharing this with you guys. I'm just like, oh my gosh, I need to tell my friends. So yeah, hopefully this helps y'all. It was just too good of a thing to pass up. I was just like, you know, more people need to know about this, you know, to help your vitamin C intake. And grapefruit doesn't just have vitamin C, like it has all sorts of other goodness, greatness to help you. Oh my God, you guys. Oh my gosh, so great. Alrighty, you guys. Well, I hope this helped. I'll see you in the next one.